it's Tiger TV back at it with another video, and today we're going to be doing exponents. So I'd encourage you to read the stuff above first, take a screenshot or pause the video, because we're going to be hopping right into the practice problems. So you can pause the video and do the practice problems yourself, and then we'll go over them. Okay, great, you're back, or you're not back. I don't really care. Okay, so let's just go over them. So for number 1, it says 5 to the power of 4 times 5 to the power of 6 equals. So if you didn't know the rule, so you have to add the exponents if it's times. So you do 4 plus 6, and that equals 10. So now the answer is 5 to the power of 10. Pretty easy, right? So for number 2, if you didn't know that rule, it's the power rule. So you have to do 4 times 6. So you have to multiply the exponents, and that will be 24. 4 times 6 is 24. We all know that's okay. So the answer will be x to the power of 24. Okay, so for number 3, it says x to the power of 4 divided by x to the power of 6. So what we do here is, since it's dividing, we do 4 minus 6 because they're both exponents. So that would be -2. So now we have to do the negative exponent rule because now it's -2. So if you didn't know how to do that, it's basically 1. Now it's basically 1 over x squared. So yeah. So just let me write this real quick. Yeah, I'm a pretty slow typer. Alright. Alright, so there we go. So for number 4, it says ABC to the power of 6. So if you didn't know this, you just do to the power of 6 for all the variables. So it's A to the power of 6, B to the power of 6, and C to the power of 6. So that one's pretty easy too. So yeah. So for number 5, it says 4 over 3 to the power of 3. Yeah. So you just do, so the answer is basically 4 to the power of 3 divided by 3 to the power of 3. I don't know what I'm saying. It's really easy. But if you want to go more in depth and find the answer, you just find 4 cubed and 3 cubed. So 4 cubed, since 4 times 4 is 16, and 16 times 4 is 64, and 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 3 is 27. The answer is 64 over 27, or 64/27, the way I'm writing it. Okay, so this is the negative power rule, the one we did in number 3. So it's basically 1 divided by 3 to the power of 2, or 3 squared. So that's pretty easy. So if you didn't know this, it looks really weird, but basically anything to the power of 0 is 1. If the number isn't 0, of course. So if you didn't know this one, anything to the power of 1 is itself. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I hope you got most of these problems right. I'm sorry if I messed up a lot in my speech, and sorry if I type too slow. So I hope I'll catch you in my next video. Take it easy.